Anju.
I'm Samveda.
So these are the materials that we have. Glue and glitter and yeah. And then we have shaving cream.
And Tide, the activator. So let's get started.
Wait.
I'll open it this way. This is purple glitter. Don't put a lot. Whoa. Go.
Kind of looks like slime.
Go.
Okay, put that
going.
one.
I'm gonna put more.
You were gonna?
Yeah.
I want to put more.
I'll show you and then you can put it.
There we go. Done. Okay, put only 2 dots. Okay. I'm gonna start on the next one. Let's take some. I don't.
I put this much.
Okay. Yeah, that's enough.
So now she's gonna put shaving cream.
Oh,
That's enough. You
okay.
can mix it first.
Okay, that was so cool.
It looks like whipped cream.
I'm gonna put a little more slime. And whatever glue. I forgot the names.
Under my glue shaving cream is turning purple. Okay,
Wow.
this is gonna be.
I'm gonna keep on mixing.
Okay,
Get it
first now.
Get it down. Get it down.
I think I put too much shaving cream.
Me too. Oh no, it's turning purple.
I'm gonna put a little bit more glue.
Ugh. Me too. Ugh.
Let's
This is how it is right now.
Mine's just overflowing.
It is? Oh my god!
Mine is overflowing.
I want to mix yours. I want to mix
I'll
yours.
mix yours.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I'll mix it up.
No. Now we need to put Tide in here.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep
We're
on.
gonna put Tide now.
Okay, I want to put it first. I'll put everything first.
Oh, that's too much. Give some to me.
Okay, give some to you. Ow. That's too much.
1 second. Wait, move your hand.
I'm good. I don't have any purple slime.
No, you can put more glue after.
See, I don't have any purple slime. Well, hers is better than mine now.
That's okay. You can put more glue.
Okay, let me put some more.
Whoa.
Eat. Take some out. Dip. Good job. Dip it
Anju,
out.
look at mine.
Oh, so cool.
Mine is fluffy white.
Mine is like this. It's so tiny.
Do you think I should touch it with my hands? No, it's not ready yet.
Yeah, mine's too.
Now my hands are messy.
Oh, it's sticky. Getting sticky. Mine is. How much is yours? Purpley?
Kind of.
Okay, good. Mine just turned out like this. It's blue. I want it purple.
Whoa, mine's just slimy now.
I want it purple. Okay, I want it purple and start turning purple.
We need to put glue. More shaving cream.
More shaving cream?
Put shaving cream and then like add more glue.
Okay. But now shaving cream. Put a little shaving cream now. Okay, there we go. And then some little of my spoon. Ooh. Put them on. Put them on. Okay, I don't want that much glue. Okay. Mix it up.
So mine is turning like focus.
Mine is turning in blue slime. Like this. I want it purple.
This is so messy. I need more Tide.
I need more glue.
Anju.
Oh my gosh. Mine's ready. Oh my gosh.
Ta-da! is not ready.
Mine is not
Here's a
at all
tissue.
good. Mine is not
Could
good.
you pull it?
Okay.
I have
Mine
more.
is not good.
It's okay. You can
No.
restart.
No. I want a purple.
You put too much Tide in.
I did.
Show me.
See?
Hey, you put too much Tide.
Okay. We're
No. Wait, 1 second. Take the shaving cream.
Okay. Take the shaving cream.
Put it in my hand.
Put it in your hand. Oh, it's so slippery.
Put it.
Daddy, we need you.
Okay, so we're gonna.
Daddy, we need you.
Andrew, put shaving cream.
Emma, we need you. We need you. Okay. I'll hold it.
No, give it to me.
No, give it to me.
Stop.
Oh!
No,
Oh.
put that in here.
Okay. Ah!
Stop. Andrew,
It's mine. It's mine. Stop having fun with mine.
What am I gonna do with all this? Wait, I'll scrape it off. I'll scrape it off. Now you need glue.
You're so mean, Akka. You put like a lot of. Now it's better so bad. We're gonna put it in here.
No, stop.
Yay.
No, now you need to put it in here. Put that in here.
Oh my gosh.
Gosh. Go wash your hands. Go back.
Okay.
Go quickly.
I need to put all the sun in here.
Go. Go, just go.
Daddy, he is so. See? Heads are so slimy. Mama, look.
I'm gonna wash my hands for a second.
Yeah, so